Landscape work starts long before the first shovel hits the ground. Every successful job begins with preparation, communication, and understanding the goal for the day. Every landscape job is different. No two properties, designs, or scopes of work are the same. That's why it's critical that each day starts with a clear plan. Before leaving the shop, the first step is to understand the goals for the day. Ask yourself and your crew, what needs to be completed today for this job to be successful? Once the goals are clear, connect with the salesperson or project lead. Confirm the materials, plants, and any special notes for the job. This prevents mistakes, delays, and unnecessary trips back to the shop. Next, confirm that you have everything needed to execute the plan. That includes the correct machines, trailer, and equipment based on the day's goals. The right tools matter. Being underprepared costs time and money. If plants or materials are required, they will be picked up from World Outdoor or Home Nursery. Always double-check quantities, sizes, and quality before leaving. Checks may be issued for materials needed that day. These checks must be returned with receipts. This is not optional. Turning in receipts protects the company and keeps job costs accurate. Now let's cover installation basics. When planting shrubs, trees, or perennials, proper technique determines long-term success. Dig the hole wide enough, typically 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball. Never plant too deep. The root flare should sit slightly above grade. Break up compacted soil. Backfill evenly and lightly compact to remove air pockets. Finish by watering thoroughly. Poor planting leads to dead plants, callbacks, and unhappy customers. Edging is one of the most visible parts of a landscape job. For stone edging, excavation depth matters. Install concrete mortar underneath the stone. Set the stone level and install mortar behind the stone for strength and longevity. Edging should be straight, stable, and clean. Wall installation starts before the first block is placed. Measure wall height carefully and confirm your starting elevation. Excavate properly and install a solid, compacted base. Use a string line to keep the wall straight. Ensure proper drainage behind the wall and compact every layer as you go. A wall is only as strong as its base. If the base fails, the wall will fail. Landscape fabric and rock insulation protect the job long after we leave. Fabric should be laid flat with proper overlap. Always tuck fabric up along the edges to prevent weeds from growing through. Rock should fully cover the fabric with no exposed areas. Sod installation should look seamless when finished. Always cut sod tightly at seams. Never stretch sod to make it fit. On slopes, sod must be stapled to prevent shifting. Water immediately after installation. Every detail matters. Landscape quality is built through preparation, communication, and execution. Every crew member is responsible for following these standards on every job, every day.